have two orbits. First is orbit of the moon to the earth. First pointing where is the position for the earth itself. Here, okay.
So
And
we
then
will
we
make
found-
the earth farther away from his moon.
No, it's like
And they do
make sure that
sun.
this is the center of the earth. So the moon will spinning right in the center of the earth. Look, shit. I know it's not easy, but
And all the planets are upside down.
yeah.
Everything,
Okay.
everything is upside down.
Let's
Please. No, the moon.
okay.
We
So
are
this is the center here.
Then
Okay. Where is the center?
everything
No,
left
we
it.
lost. Where is it?
Oh no.
Where are our planet? Oh, here they are.
They are in the app so big. They are so big. And then everything not upside down. Then everything but not upside down. Please, not upside
Okay, I
down.
think it's okay now. So first is making the
Please, it's not upside down.
usual. Now we make the circle of this,
Tata, nie chcę to
and
tulnodami.
then S like this.
Nie chcę
Okay.
to tulnodami, tata.
So let's see. Isn't it Gurunugami? So there's the Gurunugami.
To jest...
No.
Czy
And this
się
the moon.
planet jest... Czy to,
Tarczy
tu,
było.
czy to tutaj jest otat, tata?
Here going
Just
to
everything
there.
is upside down.
Here they are.
Everything is upside down.
Yeah, it's not yet. Okay. So
I
this
don't
is
want
here,
to be
and
upside
this
down.
will be
Why is it
the
upside
parents.
down?
okay. That's fine. The parents of this moon is this path. Click. Okay. and
Then
now the moon
everything
is
not
gone.
upside down.
Where is the moon? Why it's gone here?
Oh no! Moon, where are you?
Yeah, well, that's why the moon is gone so far.
Phew!
Why the
Moon,
is-
don't know anyway. The moon is my national sat. You can fit all of the planets of this solar system between us. Really soon.
So this is the moon is here.
But
So we have to make
why
sure the
is
moon moving
upside down?
closer, moon, here moon.
Then it's
Closer,
then not
moon.
upside down.
And now the moon
It's
is
on
here.
the. It's
Oh,
about.
yeah. So
It's on the down of the earth. Hey, then everything not that. Then everything
here's the
not
moon.
that.
Okay.
Not a
and
better.
then okay. And then now going to the path. It's usual apa sih?
Why is upside down?
Ini. And then let's try to make.
Why
here.
is it upside down? I said.
Okay.
Oh,
Not
then-
yet. Now it's the rotation first.
But
It's rotating like this.
But
and
don't-
come back to here.
tell it not upside down.
Make it on the
Oh,
Yes.
Venus.
path like
How would Venus do
Here.
like this?
okay.
Okay.
And then time. So we'll see if we play it from here.
Hey,
There's the moon. Why is not moving the moon?
I'm actually.
Because it was start from here.
They're not upside down, you. It's up.
The moon from here. And then it's here.
Turn it not upside
And
down.
then from here to here.
Hey, moon, you are not turning around the. That's better. You always
Here,
have to
and
turn
then
around the earth.
Let's see.
It's not this. Hey.
Okay, so the moon have two orbit also. Look. Shoo. So the moon orbiting to the earth. And now the task is make a earth orbit to the sun.
But
So double.
everything is upside down.
You should do this. Okay, upside down.
Oh, that's better.
Okay. So the thing is we
When
need to
it-
point it together. Here.
Upside down is. Wow, we can. Hello. I'm a Nunu. I am Nunu.
Jangan gitu, Jo. The center is here. Okay. Now we need to make another very big
Orbit.
rotation.
For my mom. My mom.
And find where it was the path. Okay, yeah. Here. And then make it much
Hey, I
bigger
see
in terms
that
of the
this
size.
one needs a little bit swatch.
Oh no.
No, not made this one bigger. The all bit bigger. The sun will slow and became a white hole and swallowed the earth and Mars.
There is this nursicle size.
What? Why? What do you mean? I will.
Okay, let's create a new one, but maybe from outside because from here very hard to see where is it. So let's make another big one. With
A big orbit around the sun.
And then make it very big like this.
Oh, the Earth's orbit is giant.
And then this is the rotation for the Earth.
Bigger. It has to be bigger for the.
This one.
Yeah, that's kind of big. Wow, the Earth's orbit is giant. It's so big. It's like the Earth is orbiting the sun. Hey, that is the right distance from my sun.
Okay.
That
Now
is
the
Earth is the right distance from the
will
sun.
move together with this bump. And the Earth going so far away.
Oh
I
no!
don't know where is it, Earth. Where you
Oh,
going here?
it's so big.
That's why I don't know why it's become so huge.
It's bigger than the
I
sun.
think it's the impact of
It's bigger than the sun. No.
Kau sudah tidur, John.
So big. It's just like white stooty. No else. Where are you? Oh no, the Earth is inside the sun.
No, the Earth is going
Inside
here.
the sun. What was inside the sun? The elf? Oh no, you're so far. Why is everything white? Everything is white. Better. His moon. Elf's moon, Amel. Hey, where is the elf's moon done? Hey, put the moon back with the elf.
And here the parent is the earth. Boom. So basically it has to follow the pattern of earth.
Oh no, the elf is sling the elf.
Here.
Make the elf bigger, make the elf smaller, make the elf smaller. It's the same size as Neptune. He's bigger than Neptune. It's the elf supposed to be bigger than Neptune. Hey, put it back, you.
How was he?
Put the elf on where it belongs.
Look, where is the earth before?
It's so far away. The elf and the moon is done.
No, here.
Hey, it looks so big.
Yes.
Let's lint it. Let's lint it, you.
Okay, now look.
Let's lint the elf smaller.
Now the earth is following here.
But the elf is so big.
Now.
I think the elf is the same size as Saturn. Let's make it big as Venus.
Okay, now it's like big as Venus.
Yeah, that is the size of Venus.
So here we take from this part that it's spinning here.
Now
and then let's put here.
Let's make the elf spinning. So the elf will
here, going until here.
Sad.
Move like this.
It spins around the sun.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then put here another time frame. Let's see now how it looks like. Lihat how many. And everything spinning, including the moon itself also spinning, and the sun also spinning.
And Mercury spins the fastest.
Yeah.
Mercury spins the fastest. Mercury spins the fastest.
And then here also.
Spins the... Hey! The elf is a little bit... The elf almost hit its mark.
Look, now everything's spinning. Look, shoo. Everything spinning beautifully. Wow, nice. All right, so we'll see here.
The fastest.
Shoo.
No.
Okay, toh. Okay, that's how make the animation. Oh my God, perfecto.